Have you ever felt like you were being pulled by a string, lost, anxious, and confused, unable to choose a path forward? Today, it is becoming increasingly difficult to know who is pushing and pulling the strings. I mean, nowadays, you hardly know whether or not the people saying things on the internet are even real, or if they're autonomous, self-replicating AI agents generated by Chi-Com mind control units. I mean, who really knows, dude? You know what I mean? I don't fucking know. As much as I give the Chinese shit on this channel because I'm a true, red-blooded American patriot, I must say, Asians cook up from time to time. Asians do be cooking up. Asians be cooking up. Oh, by the way, I shoplifted this shirt from Walmart. No, not Unit 731, or the Great Leap Forward, or whatever the fuck that thing even.
Busy thinking about
What the I'm talking about something different, something of the utmost spiritual significance. I had a very, very big decision to make, one that would alter the entire trajectory of my life. I spent days ruminating. It affected my sleep, my sex life with my Shatiana, my little Shatiana boo thing. I was completely consumed by this decision, to the point where, well, time passed and the opportunity faded. Or so I thought. I still had the opportunity of a lifetime, something I couldn't pass up, but to obtain it, I had to make the biggest sacrifice of all. I had to give up my dreams, the dreams I've had for years. What was this opportunity, you may ask? I remember it like it was yesterday. I had the chance to turn into a girl and fuck a guy, so it's not gay, but I still get to know what it feels like. In truth, I was getting in my own way. I can't keep reading. In truth, I was getting in my own way. But I needed to decide now. No more time wasting. No more playing games. You want to know what I did? You really want to know? How about hitting the like button, pressing subscribe, and sending me CAD files for manufacturing auto sears? I'm joking, don't do that. I'll just think it's a honeypot. Come on, dude. I consulted the motherfucking oracle, that which sees into my future, that which reveals the way. I went to ichingonline.net to access the sacred visions. I said to the oracle, Oracle, I do not know which path I should take, left or right. Show me the nature of the path to the left. And because my IQ is super high and I can see perfectly rendered 3D photorealistic apples in my mind whenever I want, I simulated the life I would live on the left in my head. And I said, whatever comes as an answer is the most true answer there can be. I threw my coins and spawned a timeline up out of the ether. The hexagram said, water follows water, spilling over any cliff, flowing past all obstacles, no matter the depth or distance, to the sea. The superior person learns flexibility from the mistakes he has made and grows strong from the obstacles he has overcome, pressing on to show others the way. The abysmal repeated, if you are sincere, you have success in your heart, and whatever you do succeeds. So I Ching, you tell me to follow my heart, but my heart yearns for both paths. I can only have one. Let me leave it to chance then. Whatever may come, I shall be content. Yo, Siri, heads or tails, bitch? Do it now, bitch.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Fuck, dude.
Tails.
Path to the right. No, it doesn't feel right. That right there, just showed me the way. And so I go left. Now, you might think I'm retarded. Well, you'd be wrong. Because I'm moving now, and you're staying still in your anxiety, min-maxing every little detail of your tiny little life that will fade away into nothing after just a short little while. I'm not stupid. I know that I Ching can't actually predict my future, dude. Unless I really believe it. But let me drop down into a mold that the autistic Reddit atheist watching this will be more compelled to engage with. I'm using the I Ching and chance, my interaction with it and subsequent analysis of the aforementioned interaction specifically, as a sounding board to intuitively elucidate a path forward in an information overloaded, junk shit hellscape of random, retarded opinion and noise. There is no true way to know which direction will be maximally valuable from a utilitarian perspective, ever using logic and reason, when existing inside of and as an inscrutable matrix made up of inscrutable matrices, which possess values that are in constant flux. That is our reality. Like, that's just full stop. Like, that is what reality is. I don't care what anyone else says. That is reality. Only in hindsight can you determine whether or not the decision you made in the past was, like, good or bad. And even then, probably not. What of the harshness that has befallen you that ended up being a blessing in disguise? What of that thing you have seen as the sweetest gift from heaven that turned out to be a curse? So might as well just stop calculating, which feels gay and cringe. Like and subscribe.